The stock market is rigged. June 24th, looking at SPY. Two really interesting setups here. You're going from 11 to 12:30, just flat at this 546 strike. Small nuke down to the blue line. And then we actually close the session with a sell-off, which is something we haven't seen in months, really. Looking at QQQ, very similar. Here, bounce down, the window, 10:30 to 11-ish, roughly. We can't crack the blue line. Nukes down, 3 strikes, 475. Small bounce before a nuke to close the session. So this was a little bit difficult to trade today. And you can see normal mode, not easy. Hard mode, hard. But there are two main concepts that we're going to go over, and we'll do that now in draw mode. All right, people, the open session, super volatile, super crazy, super difficult to trade. And we make a 3-strike move. 544 to 547 very quickly. Obviously, when these bull bombs come in, they're late. High win rate, but that is late. You need the white line right here, and it looks really nice to keep going. Because if volume passes 120%, which you can see here on the right-hand side, we're going to keep flying. But what do you notice about volume? It just starts coming down slowly, slowly, slowly. Wall Street is not actively trading. Don't expect moves to be as big or crazy. Anyway, looking at these, high win rate, you're thinking KTR. You're thinking, hey, we just moved to 546 in like 10 minutes. Maybe I can get below 546, which you could have done here. Exit a little bit above, and then this decent trade again, because you get the strike higher in no time at all. But this is the interesting thing that we want to point out. Ping pong. Coming up with ideas to track this in the app, in the system. You move up right here. And from 10:55, 10:40, or 12:45, we are flat. We do not touch 547 or 545. Not only that, where are the bull bombs? Non-existent. They're not there. Wall Street is not betting that this thing is going to keep going up. And of course, what happens? Nuke back down to the blue, small bounce. Now, end the session here. This is difficult because I cannot remember the last time in the last 10 minutes we nuked over $1, right? But what does the option flow tell you? Bear bomb, bear bomb, bear bomb, bear bomb. They were setting up for a move lower, and all you had to do was survive this little bounce here. Could have used KTR to get in for a better entry on the trade. But when we move to these levels, you're here at the blue, right? You're thinking bounce. You're looking at NVIDIA or Tesla. Apple stock went crazy today. And you're thinking, oh, that is going to carry over. And that is going to move us higher here. But when you see these alerts come in, all the bears, there is no hedge. There is no other side to the trade when this trade expires in 30 minutes. They are betting that we are going to close lower from here. And if you used KTR, you printed money. So looking at the full session again, this is the push from 2 to 3. That's late. This was actually an absolutely epic trade. The win rate was terrible, and it didn't return 100%. But you had plenty of time to get out. And the main thing, if you're watching the charts, you're watching rigged, whatever, if we do not get bombs here, which means large Wall Street trades, they are going to kill as many people as possible. And if you just think about it psychologically, mentally, whatever, we went down, we're going to go back up. Every time we bounce above 546, we're going to go to 547. Doesn't happen. Absolutely gets killed. 544, move down. These, you're late, right? You see these alerts come in, like you are late, and you wanted that up here. And if you were super degen, super good, you could have taken it up there. But here, when we come towards the end, and we get up to the blue, and we do not break, we do not push through, the end of the day ramp is not happening. We talk about the end of the day Nuke, which was today, end of day ramp typically happening in the last 10 minutes of the session, which is obviously what happened here. So you're looking here, you're at 544, and then you close a whole strike lower. That is wild to see. And look at these alerts. Man, only a 29% win rate, but MGA is 600%. The max gain average, it's going to come down a little bit because you only would have returned 309% if you took it 135. Oh my gosh, you're at 80%. But the thing to remember is when we're looking at this in the final, right? The bulls are not stepping in. Wall Street is actively bearing this thing down. And the only thing you need to do to be successful here, okay, late, okay, a little bit late. Let me just try and get it above the blue, or maybe at 545. I mean, this was the last one you could have hit. It's one in 9C. Yeah, that was the last one. You're playing small here, no stop loss, 300% or nothing. And if you held that thing until the very end, baby, 309%, 428% if you hit it with KTR. End the day. Move up. No bull bombs. You're going down. Move down. Ping pong. No bulls. Look what happened. Wall Street knows. Wall Street always wins. That's why you should copy trade them with rigged AI.